Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find Digital Wellbeing and parental controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 55 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then phone, camera, etc. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you wish, you can check some further details just by tapping inside this graph. And now we've been transferred to the dashboard where we can check, or box chart, where we can check the screen time in particular days of the week. We can compare them. If you will have the data for different days, you will be able to simply tap on them and check the details. Under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. You can also tap on the specific app, and your device will again show you the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. I also wanted to discuss some ways to disconnect, so let me go back. Let's scroll down. The ways to disconnect are right here, and I will not explain all of them. I will simply focus maybe on app timers and focus mode. So let's start with the app timers. Tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the list of apps with this hourglass icon next to them. So let's pretend I'm using the camera a little bit too long during one day. So let's tap on this camera on this hourglass icon, and now we can set a timer. So for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during a day. After that time, the device will basically block the app, and I will not be able to use it until the next day. The timer will reset at midnight. As you can see, we've got this information. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Confirm it by tapping on OK. And look what happened. The camera is grayed out. And after attempting to open it, we will receive this information that the timer ran out, and you cannot really do that. And obviously you can quickly turn it off. I mean, turn this timer off. So it is not the barrier which you cannot really cross. However, I really think that it is quite a good idea to at least try to limit the amount of time you're spending on this specific app, because if you will see it after trying to open the app, maybe you will think, oh no, the timer ran out, and maybe I really shouldn't open this app. So this is one of the options which is, I would say, highly recommendable. Here, simply tap on delete timer to completely remove it. And here we've got also something called focus mode. And here we can select distracting apps. So usually I believe some kind of social media should be here, or something like that, or maybe games or something. And now we can, after marking the distracting apps, we can tap on set a schedule. We can choose specific days of the week, specific hours. Just choose it from the clock and tap on set. And now, after setting the schedule, your device will limit or hide the notifications from those distracting apps. So you will be able to focus on different things, like, for example, working, studying, spending time with your family, or whatever activity you'd like to do during this focus mode. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.